In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your computer's name in Windows 10. So the first thing you want to do is go to the Start menu and right-click on the Windows icon, then click on Settings, and then go ahead and click on System. And down at the bottom left, you're going to click on About, and you're going to want to scroll down to where it says Rename this PC, and go ahead and click on that button. And then it's going to ask you to type in whatever name you want to change your PC to. So I'll just put new name. Once you enter your name, go ahead and click next. And it's going to ask you to restart your PC in order for the new name to take effect. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to click restart later. But that's pretty much it. That's how you change your computer's name in Windows 10. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below. If not, feel free to leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.